Today I'm gonna teach you how to buy some baby Doge. Thank you. Though he's not a baby Doge, he's my boy Dali, but he wanna teach us, so let's get right into it. Good boy. So what we need here is our Trust Wallet, PancakeSwap, and of course some BNB Smart Chain. Log into your Trust Wallet and then go to your browser and search for pancakeswap.finance. On left hand corner, click on this hamburger menu, expand trade, and click on exchange. Here, tap on select a currency and type in baby Doge. Once there, click on import. Check the box I understand and click on import. Now baby Doge is added. Here you're gonna click on connect to connect your Trust Wallet to PancakeSwap. Now go to Wallet Connect and your Trust Wallet is now connected. Type in the amount of BNB you wanna spend. Now you need to click on this menu on top to change the slippage tolerance to 12, which is recommended. And now you're ready to swap. Click on swap and then confirm swap. Click on send and now OK. If you go back to your Trust Wallet and refresh your account, baby Doge should pop up here on top, and there you go. There you have it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.